Dysgu Cymraeg Caerdydd services have been really helpful in so many ways. Firstly, the facility, firstly, the easiness. For example, I've been learning through an intense course, and that's helped me a lot in being able to use Cymraeg, in being able to use Welsh almost every day of the week. Also, I do it online, and for someone who works full-time, it's really easy, very convenient to do the course, in my lunch break. So yeah, there are so many different possibilities and classes for anyone who wants to learn Welsh.
The lessons are really great. The tutor's very enthusiastic and energetic and varies the lessons all the time. But also what I'm really impressed with is the number of resources and the opportunities to practice Welsh. There's a plentiful supply of resources available to help you use the language that you're learning.
I found the structure of the course really great, really beneficial, having that sort of like weekly 2-hour session, being able to build on that's been fantastic in terms of providing that structure there. Yes, I found it great.
So Dysgu Cymraeg has been like a really great experience for me. Like learning Welsh in this way has been like really transformative for my Welsh. I've become a lot more confident as we speak a lot in the classes. It's way more about speaking rather than just writing.
Dysgu Cymraeg, without them I wouldn't be someone who can speak Welsh today. I started with them in my final year in Bristol. The courses, because I'm under 25, are entirely free for me, and I'm very, very, very happy that I've had that opportunity. I did a summer course for 6 weeks as well last summer, and that's given me the real kind of grammar basics, and the teachers have been absolutely amazing. So without Dysgu Cymraeg, I would not be speaking Welsh. It's just as simple as that for me.